मुंबई एक्सप्रेस न्यूज में आप सभी का स्वागत है।
So this is Mumbai Express coming to you live and exclusive from Borivali. This is the NGO called Youth Against Rape. You see them educating the young children from the slums in regards to the good touch, the bad touch, all about their daily life, what is to be done, how they have to deal with it, especially for the females. So very good morning to you, our viewers coming on social media. This is Mumbai Express coming to you live and exclusive from Borivali, where we have a donation camp going on in progress. This is organized by the Youth Against Rape. That's the NGO that has organized this donation camp today in Borivali. And I have with me over here Mr. Lucky, who's from this organization, and to tell us more about it. So would you like to tell our viewers in regards to this organization and in regards to the donation camp that you all are being organized?
Hi, I'm Lucky. The Youth Against Rape is started by 22-year-old Piyush Moga sir. He's from Delhi. He started this organization 25th May on 2019. Then it's legally registered on 17th August 2019. And on 17th October 2019, our three riders, Piyush Moga sir, Yogesh and Ranchu sir, started cycle campaign from Delhi, Jantar Mantar, 50,000 kilometer all over India to cover all the states and union territories, and to teach them about sex education and for children, good touch, bad touch, and tree plantation, Khushiyan Baato campaign like we are doing here.
What kind of members, like from means all college students that can be seen?
Yes.
But how do you all team up together?
Actually, our page is on Youth Against Rape is on Instagram. There is another page, support team page. There all people connect from, and we divided in groups. On Telegram, we actually work online on Telegram, and there we collect separate from cities, and we gather and do these campaigns and seminars in all over our cities.
Well, would you like to say something to our viewers?
Yes, sir. So, depending on the questions what you asked, so as you said, there is no specific target that we have as of now. There are some amendments that we have in mind that we want to take care of. So, at the moment, the main concern of this campaign that we are conducting is to spread the awareness, because the basic sex education is not going throughout in our country. So, this is what our idea is, to start it with children, so that their mentality develops over the time when they grow up. So for children, we provide sex education depending on their age groups. So we start with children, we help them with good touch and bad touch, and with females we help them more with about their periods and everything. And along with that, we try to provide something, and most of the time it's food that they require. So that's what we try to provide to them. So that is the main concern of this campaign.
And most of you all are from all all in your last year in college or something, or what is it?
Most of us are students. Yes.
Most of you all are students. So that means whatever you all are doing is like a voluntary, like
Exactly. It is voluntary, and we really don't have any particular trust or something that is helping us. It is mostly we discuss among us, and we do it throughout us.
And what about your do you all have anything like how many camps do you all have to conduct in a month or something of that sort?
So basically, so at the moment there is no specific number, but we at least try to do once a week across the country.
So as you can see, viewers, this foundation is really doing a good job in educating all these young children coming from the slums, like in regards to their to whatever they have in their livelihood. So if you like the video, please do not forget to give it a like, and all the very best to your organization, and hope you all succeed.
Definitely.
Okay, thank you.